Aichi Prefecture, Japan. Tahara City, home to Toyota's legendary body-on-frame manufacturing powerhouse for over 4 decades.
Established in 1979, Tahara plant has produced legendary body-on-frame vehicles for 4 to 5.
Every 4Runner hybrid's adventure story begins with heavy-gauge, high-strength steel arriving at Tahara's legendary facility. High-strength steel rated for extreme off-road loads begins transformation into 4Runner's legendary ladder frame.
Each 4Runner requires 26 precision-formed, high-strength steel ladder frame components.
Complete boxing of every frame rail creates structural rigidity designed for decades of trail punishment. At Toyota's Tahara plant, any worker can stop the entire production line to ensure quality.
The ladder frame welding station joins over 3,000 structural welds, creating 4Runner's indestructible backbone.
Computer-controlled MIG welding creates precise bead geometry for maximum torsional rigidity.
8 synchronized robots complete frame welding in under 5 minutes, creating legacy-grade structural integrity. Takumi master craftsmen with over 20 years' experience personally inspect every critical frame weld.
Electrostatic powder coating bonds molecularly to every frame surface, providing 40-year corrosion protection. 4Runner's iconic squared-off body panels begin as hot-stampable high-strength steel blanks.
4Runner's bold wheel arch character line requires multiple precision forming steps for dimensional accuracy. Body-on-frame construction begins as the steel body structure mounts to the fully boxed ladder frame.
Over 5,500 spot welds join 4Runner's body in white for legendary structural integrity.
Laser welding joins critical body junctions with superior precision and minimal heat distortion. Structural adhesive supplements mechanical fasteners at body-to-frame contact points, enhancing acoustic isolation. The marriage station unites 4Runner's body with the fully equipped ladder frame chassis. 12 rubber isolation mounts insulate the body from frame vibration for refined on-road comfort.
Computer-controlled hydraulics lower the body onto frame isolation mounts with millimeter precision.
12 critical bolts secure body to frame using computer-verified torque-to-yield sequences. 4Runner's twin turbocharged engines are assembled in precision climate-controlled environments at Tahara.
Twin turbochargers with direct intercooling deliver 465 pound-feet of instant torque. Historic First, a motor generator unit transforms the 4Runner into a 326 horsepower hybrid.
The hybrid battery pack integrates into 4Runner's body-on-frame architecture without compromising ground clearance. The 8-speed direct-shift automatic optimizes power delivery across 4Runner's full performance and terrain range. Engine, transmission, and transfer case integrate as one powertrain unit before ladder frame installation. The complete powertrain, weighing over 600 kilograms, mounts to 4Runner's legendary ladder frame.
Laser positioning ensures precise powertrain mounting within 1 millimeter tolerance for drivetrain alignment.
The part-time 4-wheel drive transfer case delivers legendary off-road capability and highway efficiency.
Heavy-duty front and rear drive shafts feature double cardan joints for extreme articulation angles.
Available rear locking differential delivers maximum traction in the most extreme off-road terrain.
Orange high-voltage hybrid cables route through dedicated protected pathways in the ladder frame structure.
Available kinetic dynamic suspension system disconnects stabilizer bars for maximum wheel articulation. TRD Pro receives Bilstein internal bypass shocks, providing superior damping on all terrains. Trailhunter receives factory-installed ARB air compressor and Geolander all-terrain tires from Toyota.
Multi-Terrain Select with 5 terrain modes calibrates every system for specific surface conditions.
Crawl Control automatically manages throttle and braking on extreme terrain at programmed crawl speeds. Multi-Terrain Monitor Camera System provides underbody visualization during slow off-road navigation. Toyota's 10-stage paint process provides extraordinary protection for global adventure environments. Cathodic electrocoating penetrates every cavity, providing 12-year corrosion protection globally. Heavy underbody stone chip coating provides armor-like protection for trail and off-road conditions. AI-optimized robots apply Army Green with electrostatic precision, achieving extraordinary metallic depth. Electrostatic atomization aligns metallic particles, creating Army Green's distinctive depth and character. Double Clear Coat provides extraordinary UV and abrasion protection for adventure environments worldwide. Renewable energy-powered infrared ovens cure 4Runner's paint, achieving molecular bonding strength. AI deep learning systems inspect over 1,200 quality checkpoints across every 4Runner painted surface. Takumi Craftsmen provide irreplaceable human quality verification, complementing AI inspection systems. Interior assembly begins with 4Runner's most advanced cabin in the nameplate's 4-decade history. Premium acoustic insulation creates unexpected refinement, surprising drivers expecting body-on-frame harshness. 4Runner's redesigned dashboard integrates modern technology while maintaining rugged functional character. Toyota's 8-inch touchscreen provides off-road data, terrain mode status, and connected services. The iconic sliding rear window, retained from 4Runner tradition, provides ventilation and trail connectivity.
TRD Pro interior features red stitching and sport-tuned seats, complementing performance capabilities.
Trailhunter interior includes multiple power outlets and outdoor-specific features for extended overland expeditions.
4Runner's steering wheel integrates controls for terrain modes, crawl control, and Toyota Safety Sense. Windshield installation integrates Toyota Safety Sense forward cameras, requiring factory precision calibration. TRD Pro's steel skid plates and heavy-duty bumper protect critical components during rock crawling. Bold angular LED headlights provide maximum trail illumination with unmistakable 4Runner identity. Angular LED daytime running lights create 4Runner's bold new face visible on any trail or road. TRD Pro's factory roof rack integrates with body structure, supporting up to 150 pounds of gear.
Trailhunter receives factory-installed ARB accessories, making it Toyota's most overland-ready factory SUV.
Available Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires provide superior mud, rock, and snow traction capability.
Star pattern computer-controlled torquing ensures safe and even wheel clamping across all 4Runner variants.
The all-new 4Runner Hybrid stands on its own wheels for the first time, ready to face any terrain. Historic first, 4Runner's hybrid system activates following Toyota's strict safety verification protocols. Toyota's diagnostic system programs over 60 control modules, including hybrid and terrain management systems. AI machine vision verifies over 1,200 quality points across the entire 4Runner body and chassis. Takumi Final Inspection covers 70 personal checkpoints, ensuring every 4Runner meets legendary standards.
Dynamometer testing validates 326 combined horsepower and hybrid system integration.
All 5 multi-terrain modes undergo individual verification, confirming throttle and brake calibration.
Crawl control testing verifies automatic speed maintenance from 1 to 15 kilometers per hour on grade. Rear differential lock engagement and release are individually verified for response speed and function.
Water weighting testing to 700 millimeters validates sealing of all systems for river crossing capability. Every 4Runner completes a comprehensive proving ground evaluation before receiving Takumi final approval.
Professional test drivers evaluate suspension performance, four-wheel drive engagement, and terrain system response.
The window sticker confirms 4Runner Hybrid's 29 miles per gallon combined efficiency certification.
VIN verification creates permanent traceability, linking every 4Runner to its complete production history. Protective transport film safeguards 4Runner's paint during shipping from Tahara to global markets. Specialized enclosed transporters protect 4Runner during delivery to Toyota dealerships globally. From Tahara's coastal facility, 4Runners begin journeys to adventure-ready customers across 140 countries. Carrying 4Runner's legendary adventure heritage and historic hybrid innovation, each vessel departs Japan. Toyota dealer pre-delivery inspection adds final quality layer before customer adventure handover. Transport film removal reveals Tahara plant's legendary army green finish in perfect condition.
Under showroom lighting, 4Runner's bold new 6th generation design commands immediate respect.
The hybrid startup begins silently before twin-turbo power stands ready for any adventure. Toyota specialists ensure 4Runner owners understand every hybrid and off-road system capability.
326 hybrid horsepower delivers unexpected refinement and capability on the highway.
29 miles per gallon combined represents historic efficiency achievement for a body-on-frame 4Runner.
Selecting rock mode optimizes throttle, brake, and differential settings for technical rock crawling.
Bilstein shocks, KDSS, and rear locking differential combine for unmatched rock crawling capability.
Multi-terrain monitor reveals obstacles beneath the vehicle, enabling precise wheel placement on technical terrain.
Trailhunter's factory ARB accessories make it the most ready-to-explore factory 4Runner ever built.
Mud terrain mode calibrates every system, delivering confident traction through deep mud conditions.
Real-world river crossing capability matches Tahara's tested 700mm weighting depth.
Regenerative braking recovers energy during trail descents, extending range on extended expeditions.
Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus provides comprehensive protection from highway to trail environments.
5 distinct trims, from SR5 to Trailhunter, ensure a perfect 4Runner match for every adventurer.
6,500-pound towing capacity enables 4Runner to haul boats, trailers, and expedition gear. Renewable energy systems support Tahara's carbon reduction manufacturing commitments for future generations. Where paved roads end and adventure begins, the 4Runner Hybrid thrives with legendary confidence. Urban driving maximizes hybrid efficiency with electric motor handling most city speed requirements. 4Runner's legendary reliability reputation now extends to hybrid powertrain with Toyota's proven THS technology.
Toyota's Kaizen continuous improvement ensures 4Runner manufacturing evolves with every production cycle.
Dedicated Tahara workers build every 4Runner with pride, knowing customers depend on their legendary quality. Snow mode transforms 4Runner into a confident all-weather performer across frozen mountain passes.
Crawl control manages descent at programmed speed, allowing driver to focus entirely on steering.
4Runner's cavernous cargo area and factory roof rack accommodate complete family expedition equipment. The 4Runner community represents one of automotive culture's most passionate and loyal enthusiast groups.
The retained sliding rear window honors 4Runner tradition, keeping drivers connected to outdoor environments.
TRD Pro transforms the hybrid 4Runner into the ultimate factory-built off-road adventure machine. The 4Runner nameplate carries 40 years of adventure heritage into its most revolutionary generation. Trailhunter's factory overland equipment enables extended backcountry exploration straight from dealership. Hybrid efficiency and legendary adventure capability coexist for the first time in 4Runner's 40-year history.
As night falls on Tahara, one of automotive history's most significant evolutions continues inside.
From Toyota's legendary Tahara plant, 40 years of adventure DNA, 45 years of Takumi craftsmanship,